Use type 2 wheel belt, and it's on the Hurstbridge line. My battery's running low, so yeah, I hope the train goes quick. I gotta check. I'm not sure which side the train's coming. Not quite sure yet. Anyways, just wait for the train like usual. Okay. And we'll all get it's Chapman's train. Yep, it's a Chapman's train, the train I hate. There we go, it's heading to Flinders Street now. Okay, it's gonna finish. Okay, it could just finish. Anyways, guys, I'll do the tour now. This first thing that we have over here has in Macleod signal base, Western Railroad supply, a black master signal, a one black signal sign, 4 Westinghouse indicated lights on the Westinghouse cross sign, a track sign, a stand crossback, a general signal bell, a whistling gate, and 3 ultrafast lights. The reason why I was talking so fast is because my battery's running low. That's why. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the other side now. Meet you guys there. Okay, I'm recording from this side now. Start the tour. This first signal we have over here has an great you again. You know, it has a Westinghouse signal base, a Western Railroad supply, a white and black signal sign, 4 Westinghouse indicated lights on the Westinghouse cross sign, a 2-track sign, a stand crossback, a general signal wheel bell, and a whistling gate, and 3 aircraft gate lights. Okay, now we wait for the train. Okay, just started. Okay, now we'll wait. They should have like same bells that got just upgraded this year, like Ramsden Street and Clifton Hill, which has like new lights and like new bells. Want the train? The actual truck was train, the train that I hate. Okay, it's gonna finish. Okay, it's heading to Eltham now. Okay, guys, that's it for the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.